Hi, welcome. My name is Lily, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own chamomile infused body oil using a blend of jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, and a special blend of essential oils. This is very easy and affordable to make. You'll love it, so please stay tuned. This is the quicker way to make a chamomile infused oil for those who don't want to sit there for weeks. Chamomile has many benefits for your hair, your skin, you name it, and most surprisingly for your mental well-being. Yes, it actually has a soothing effect. It helps you sleep, and it also helps with anxiety. Now, just to list some of the amazing benefits, chamomile oil offers relief for issues like digestive issues as gas, indigestion, or nausea. It helps in wound healing, and as I mentioned before, it helps with anxiety and panic attack. It also offers relief in soothing skin conditions like eczema, rashes, or very dry, cracked skin. Chamomile oil is an anti-inflammatory, so it offers relief, for example, in pain like back pain or pain from arthritis. And most important, to me at least, is that it helps in sleep. There are many ways to use chamomile oil, and they include for aromatherapy. It can be used for skin application, topical application, for example, as a massage oil for your entire body from head to toe. It can be used in lotions, cleansers, shower gels, even in soap making. Please do not use vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is not made for your skin. Okay, so now that you know a little bit more about the benefits and uses of chamomile body oil, let's go ahead and get started on how to make it. 1/4 cup of jojoba oil. This here is 3/4 cup. And here lastly, we have our grapeseed oil, and this is a full 1 cup. You don't necessarily have to use sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, or grapeseed oil. You can use olive oil. I have olive oil right there in the back, but that one is for cooking. You can use coconut oil, you can use any other oil, just avoid vegetable oil. And here I have my whole dry chamomile flowers. What we have here is a mason jar. The first thing that we're going to do is make sure to add our flowers. This is how you want your chamomile flowers to look in your jar. You don't have to do it all the way to the top. This is definitely more than halfway through, but this is good. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour in our oils. Your jar should be looking like this all the way to the top. So don't be alarmed when you do see the oil on the bottom. This is very good. This is actually perfect. Then we'll just go ahead and cover it. Make sure this is nicely secured and you have something that looks like this. Get yourself a nice little pot and boil it and bring it to a very high boil. All right, so my water is boiling. So we are ready for the next step. Follow me. Alrighty, so it's been in the pot for about 30 minutes or so, and I had it on close to low, so it was still kind of hot, and this is extremely hot. You take it out, make sure you have a towel or something so you don't burn yourself. Make sure the lid is secured. Alright, so this is it for part 1, okay? So now we actually have to wait 24 hours. I know, 24 hours is going to take for this to infuse, and then we can move forward. So I'll see you in 24 hours. Well, it's gonna be a second for you, but it's gonna be 24 hours for me. I'm back, and it's been a little bit over 24 hours, and the oil that we have here is finally ready to be extracted. This is a glass bowl in which we are going to extract the oil into. These are mini mason jars, and they are 4 ounces each. I was able to buy these at Target. First things first, you're going to need a strainer like this one, and you're also going to need a cheesecloth. This right here is a 100% organic cotton cheesecloth, and I was also able to purchase this at Target. We have vitamin E, essential oil, and just a cute little 1/2 teaspoon scoop. And as you can see here, I also have my dried chamomile flowers, and these are optional towards the end. To include them in your oil is not a necessary step. It's more so to embellish the oil. Before we get started with our oil extraction, please be aware that this oil can and will last you for a year or longer. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video. And I do make my own beauty products as far as hair and skincare natural products. So check out my website. The link is below, bebelily.com. And before you go, make sure to leave me a comment below, give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.